In this video, we are going to explore the colorful world of wildflowers and learn how to paint them with watercolors. Hi everyone, welcome back to Divi Art Studio. My name is Devisha Mehta. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, so let's get started. To start, you will need some watercolor supplies. I'll be using Winsor and Newton watercolors, a Strathmore watercolor paper, and a round and flat brush. Next, I'm taking inspiration from these wildflowers and will be mixing them to make a bunch together. I will start by mixing some paint, orange and yellow mix. To begin, I'll first apply the center color of the flower. Next, I'll gently and gradually move my brush in the direction of the petals, carefully creating some strokes to give the shape of the petals. Now I will drop some brown in the center while the base is semi-wet using wet on wet watercolor technique. Next, I moved on to painting the purple flowers with similar strokes like the yellow flowers. Once the base had dried, I added some strokes to add detailing to my flowers. Next, I am feeling like I have taken more paint on this purple flower, so I will pull out some paint using some plain water. Like this, even if you make a mistake in watercolor, you can still improve it using this technique. I also added some leaves to the flowers. If you would like to see more wildflowers, you can check out my other video where I have demonstrated some more wildflower painting. I will add the link to the video in the description. Next, I will paint the purple lavender wildflower, gently dabbing my brush to make small petals of the lavender flower. Now grabbing some more darker paint of purple and just dabbing it on top of the lavender so that I can add some shadow and depth to the painting. And now I will be adding some green to make the stem of the wildflower. And slowly making a line, not a very straight line but like a broken line, so that it's not very stiff and give a natural shape. And now I'll be repeating the same process for my other lavender flowers. And now I will add some leaves to my bunch of the wildflowers. I am mixing some chrome yellow and sap green to make my leaves. It gives a nice warm shade to the painting. Adding some more green to give the shadow. Next I will move on to my smaller yellow flowers. Moving my brush in the petals direction. And now I will add some green to the center. Just dabbing and dropping a little bit of color, and now joining all the flowers together. Next I will move on to add some details to my wildflowers. And there you have it, a loose watercolor painting of wildflowers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below which flowers you would like to paint with watercolors. And hit that subscribe button for more watercolor painting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.